Is the Shriram Life Assured Income Plan the key to securing your family's financial future? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating life insurance individual savings plan. And some of the key features of this policy are the plan offers flexible term options of 8, 10, 12 and 15 years, and your premium payments can be made monthly, quarterly, half yearly or annually depending on your convenience, and you get assured income benefits which are provided after the completion of the policy term. Plan also rewards higher policy term and premium amount with increased assured income. So the greater the commitment, the greater the payout. It also allows for additional protection through optional riders. Now, some of the benefits of this policy are death benefit, which in case of unfortunate death of the policyholder, the policyholder's nominee or legal heir will get death sum assured. So, death sum assured will be paid as lump sum or as assured income payout, or as 50% of the death benefit as a lump sum and the remaining 50% as regular payout. So, whichever option the policyholder has chosen, through that option, the death benefit will be payable. And maturity benefit is something the policyholder will get once the policy matures. So once the policy matures, the assured income payout will be paid as scheduled at the start of each year after the end of the policy term during the benefit payout period. So your assured income is equal to assured income factor into your annualized premium. So suppose the policyholder dies after the commencement of the assured income, then the outstanding assured income payout will continue as scheduled to the nominee. So these are the benefits of this policy. Now let us take a look at the advantage. So the advantages are you can get a loan of up to 90% of the surrender value under this plan, and policyholders have the option to choose a lump sum maturity benefit instead of assured income payouts, and this plan also offers flexibility in receiving the death benefit tailored to the policyholder's requirement. The disadvantages are this plan does not provide you with life coverage during the income benefit payout period, and regular payout may be prone to spending on discretionary expenses, and you can opt for yearly income benefits which reduces your potential for compounding growth on the investment. So these are the disadvantages of investing in this policy which you need to carefully consider before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video where we are going to calculate the IRR, internal rate of return of this policy based on the figures given in the policy brochure. So we can analyze the returns and compare them with alternative investment options. So let us assume that a 30-year-old male chooses this policy with a 15-year policy term and 15-year premium payment period contributing 50,000 rupees annually. So the sum assured is 5 lakhs. After completing the premium payment, the policyholder receives an annual survival benefit of 99,750 rupees for the next 15 years. So the cash flow yields an internal rate of return IRR of 4.71% as per the Shriram Life Assured Income Plan Maturity Calculator, which is below the inflation rate, making it ineffective as a long-term investment option. So moreover, the sum assured is also insufficient. According to the policy brochure, the nominee can opt for the assured income payout or a lump sum death benefit or a combination of both. However, as you can see, none of these options adequately cover expenses or life goals. So the regular income provided by the plan does not account for inflation, diminishing its value over time. While the plan does span for 15 years, the modest returns and limited coverage make it less appealing for long-term investors. So for those seeking effective wealth creation or substantial life coverage, this plan may not be the best choice. So the return analysis here reveals that this plan delivers relatively low yield. By reallocating the same premium, it's possible to achieve better cash flow through more efficient strategies. Although this policy combines life insurance with investment, we are going to now separate these components to see whether it can yield improved results. So let us examine this approach using the same premium from the earlier example. So let us here assume that for life cover purpose, we are going to opt for a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 5 lakhs, which cost an annual premium of 2100 rupees for a 15-year policy term and premium payment period. This leaves us with 47,900 rupees annually, which can be invested based on your risk tolerance. So if you are a low risk investor, you might prefer debt instrument like the Public Provident Fund (PPF), and if you are a high risk investor, you could opt for equity based investments such as equity linked savings schemes (ELSS). And also for both scenarios, the accumulated investment value is later shifted into an instrument offering a 7% annual return to generate annual withdrawals equivalent to the Shriram Life Assured Income Plan's payouts. So in the PPF plus term insurance scenario, the maturity value comes to be around 9.42 lakhs, which is transferred to then a 7% yielding investment to support annual withdrawal. So the IRR for this cash flow is 6.79%, whereas in the ELSS plus term insurance scenario, the pre-tax maturity value is 19.99 lakhs. So after accounting for the capital gains tax, the post-tax value is 18.55 lakhs, which is reinvested at 7% yielding instrument to support annual withdrawal. So the IRR for this cash flow is 8.84%. Avoiding annual withdrawal, the returns could be even higher, offering greater flexibility to manage cash flows according to the actual financial needs. So in comparison to the Shriram policy, where the low returns and lack of flexibility make it less appealing, opting here for separate life insurance and investment strategy not only enhance your returns but also provides better control over your financial goals. And what is the final verdict on our Shriram Life Assured Income Plan? Whether it is worth investing or not. From our analysis, we can see that this plan offers death benefit as a lump sum or an installment, but still these are inadequate to meet your family's future financial needs. And the plan's annual withdrawal hinder the compounding effect, reducing overall returns. So for generating regular income, separating life insurance from investment is a more effective strategy. So due to its limited life coverage and relatively low returns, the Shriram Life Assured Income Plan is not ideal for those seeking a steady income, and it also has a high agent commission. So instead of relying on insurance plans for regular income, building a diversified investment portfolio tailored to your risk profile, financial goals, and time horizon will better support your evolving financial needs.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.